pour in some water. Bottom of the bowl mustn't touch the water. Use dark chocolate, break it so that it's smaller and easier to melt. Bring it to a boil and then you can stir it. There you can see it's almost melted now. Now you can start adding your cream, little bit at a time, otherwise it's going to thicken and you're going to end up with lumps in it. And stir as you go away. Add like lumps of chocolate into the cake mixture there. You can take sticks like this and then you just stir it through, just not too much, okay? And then you do exactly the same. Marvelous again. And then you can just drizzle the rest over it so that you have a nice interesting topping there. And now it can go to the oven and bake for an hour. And then you can impress guests with this wonderful cheesecake and everybody's going to ask you the recipe.